Hello guys, I'm Serber and in this video I'm going to talk about the Great Bloom chapter in Sunflower Land. I will explain to you the new features and mechanics in the game. We will cover everything: a new token economy, seasonal Geniseed currency, Love Island event, Mega Bounty board, flower boxes, new NFTs, VIP and a lot more. I will not only explain what each new feature is, but also share some tips and strategies on how to use them efficiently and maximize your rewards. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the flower token. As you know, the SFL token was replaced with flower, the new token of Sunflower Land. There are a lot of reasons why this happened, but the main one is that SFL token had an infinite supply and it was difficult to put it on different blockchains besides Polygon. It was too difficult to grow the economy with SFL. The flower token will have a supply of 256 million tokens, and the economy is more stable and recyclable. Almost all the tokens you spend in-game, in gems, auctions, drops and marketplace fees will be returned to the reward pool. Flower is already tradable on Uniswap on the base blockchain. Soon it's going to be available on Polygon and Ronin, and we hope the token will also be available on centralized exchanges. You can already deposit and withdraw your tokens from the game. Finally, it happened after more than a month of waiting. The price of flower can change a lot due to volatility, so be really careful with any moves and investments. I have a Telegram channel and a blog channel on Discord where I share the most profitable strategies and my moves in Sunflower Land and other games. I post all the calculations and save you a lot of time. If you want to know how to earn, the link will be in the description. Moving forward, the most important thing is the new seasonal currency, Geniseed. You can earn this currency through deliveries and then exchange it for NFTs. Some of the deliveries are really insane and the price for one Geniseed is very high, so you should skip them. Let me tell you how you can check the price of your Geniseed. Open sfl.world and enter your farm ID. Select the info tab. Hide all the tabs you don't need until you find the delivery for tickets. You can see how much it's going to cost you in flower tokens to deliver resources for each NPC and how many Geniseeds you will get. If you see a price like 0.50 flower per Geniseed, definitely skip it. In my opinion, that's too high and that isn't worth it. Soon I will explain why. But you might ask me, Serber, do you need to complete these deliveries and earn Geniseeds? What's the real profit here? Let's calculate together. The Great Bloom chapter started a few days ago and will run for 3 months. During that time you can earn Geniseeds. Then you can exchange them for real NFTs, but to do that you need to start early and earn a lot of Geniseed. You can exchange your Geniseeds at Stella's store. What everyone wants are the mega items, which cost 6,000 and 8,500 Geniseeds. But to buy them, first you need to unlock 4 items in each category below. In basic items, buy the decoration for 2.5 flower and 20 broken pillar. Then grab the bronze flower box and flower mask. In rare items, pick the first 2 decoration, then the silver flower box and love charm shard. In epic items, do the same: 2 decoration, the gold flower box and a luxury key. In total, the amount of Geniseed is insane. To get close to mega items, you will need at least 4,500 Geniseed, and then you will need another 6,000 to buy an NFT that gives you plus 2 kale. That's more than 10,000 Geniseeds. You only have about 80 days to earn them, so you need around 125 Geniseeds a day. Even if you consider the price 0.15 flower per Geniseed, which is really low, you still need 1,500 flowers to get that NFT. And how do you know if it's worth it? Exactly, that's my point. You don't know. In the previous chapter, the NFT gave plus 2 wheat and is worth about 2,000 flower tokens now. But there is also NFT that costs 1,000 flower and gives plus 2 barley crop. I'm still going to participate, but I will only complete deliveries when Geniseeds are cheap. I will try to get the second NFT, Oracle Syringe. It heals animals for free, and I think it could be more expensive than the first one. You also need a lot of flower to participate, so if you are new to Sunflower Land and you don't have a budget, don't even try to get those mega items for a ton of Geniseed because you will lose your money. But there is still a way to earn. Let me show you. The team announced flower boxes this chapter. You can buy them for Geniseed and get flowers inside. There are 3 boxes: bronze, silver and gold. Each one contains a different amount of flower. For example, in the gold box you have 1% chance to win 200 flowers and the minimum you can get is 50 flower. In a bronze box it's 5 flower. But that's not all. VIP players get 2 times more rewards from flower boxes. You can see it in the VIP tab, so buying VIP is even more profitable now. The bronze box costs 250 Geniseeds, and if you get Geniseeds for 0.15 flowers each, 250 Geniseeds will cost you around 37 flowers. Even with 2x rewards, it's not worth if you only get the minimum 10 flowers. So your mission is to complete deliveries where Geniseeds cost around 0.05 flower each and skip the others, and that's possible. Daily you can earn about 5-10 Geniseeds at that ratio, plus 1 Geniseed every day for the daily check-in. Each week there is also a double deliveries day, meaning deliveries give double rewards. So the ratio gets even better. Completing weekly quests can net you 30-40 Geniseeds for free because you don't spend resources on weekly chores. In about 2 weeks you can gather those 250 Geniseeds, open a bronze box and hope for a good reward. Even if you win 5 flower, you get 10 flower with VIP, and it's still worth it because your Geniseeds were cheap. You spent less than 10 flowers. And who knows, maybe you get lucky and win 25 flower or 50 with VIP and walk away with solid profit. You can buy a bronze box every week, so don't miss your chance. I'm not promising huge profit, I'm just showing a way to earn extra income for players who aren't whales and don't have thousands of flowers to buy the expensive NFTs. Make your own calculations before spending your Geniseeds. You can also participate in the auctions to bid and get some NFTs. You can bid with your flower tokens, gems and Geniseeds. There are some really good NFTs like the Quarry that lets you mine stone without pickaxes. But if you want to get it, prepare to spend a lot of money. Those auctions are for players with a lot of money who want all the NFTs in the game. I'm going to pass on it. The next topic is Love Island. If you participated in the previous event and collected love charms, now you can exchange them for flower tokens. The rate is 50 charms for 1 flower. In the future, the rate could be worse, so if you want to exchange them, do it now. To get into Love Island, visit the plaza. In the center, you will find the Fly Love balloon. Click on it. Love Island is only available 3 times a day for 30 minutes. You can check the timer to see when it will be available. When it's open, just click the Let's Go button and you will be able to exchange your love charms. But that's not all. You can trade your flower for different decorations or tools. For example, you can buy the silver toolbox for 350 love charms and win 100 shovels. Or you can buy some decorations. I'm waiting for the super totem, it costs 1500 charms. I have around 5000, so I can buy 3 more of them. Daily there are 3 items available to buy and they change every day. The most fun part of Love Island is solving the puzzle with the community. When Love Island is open, you need to run and solve the puzzle. In the center you will see a lot of players and 4 petals. You need to move to a petal. Red means there are too many players there. Orange means the number of players is perfect. And gray means there are not enough players. When all 4 petals turn orange, a chest will appear in the center. Just click on it to open it. You will get some random rewards. You can only open the chest once a day. And I recommend joining Love Island at the start of the timer, because people start leaving after a while and you won't be able to solve the puzzle and get rewards. It's fun and cool, you can get rewards daily by solving the puzzle and boost your economy in Sunflower Land. The team also added the Mega Bounty board, where you can exchange certain resources for Geniseeds or gems, flowers, fish, digging resources, obsidian and faction marks. All those resources can now be traded for Geniseed or gems on the Mega Bounty. Go to the plaza and find Poppy. You can exchange your resources there. Every week the resources and rewards update. With the new flower token, you can now buy gems directly with your flowers in-game. Even better, if you buy them with flower in-game, you get a 30% discount. That's amazing news. Now you don't need to buy Polygon tokens and purchase gems through MetaMask. You just earn flower in-game, do the daily restock to earn more flower, and then spend it on gems. It's pretty good and the gameplay just got easier. To buy gems with flower, click on gems icon, then click buy gems. Select the amount and click use flower. Then you just confirm and you will get your gems. The team has a lot of plans for this chapter. The chapter will run for 90 days and the team has already announced some new features. Really soon we will see pet NFTs in Sunflower. The team is also focusing on co-op farming, meaning more socializing in Web3 gaming. Sunflowerland has been getting a lot of attention in the last few months, and soon the token will be available on Ronin and Polygon networks. A lot of new players are coming, the gameplay is really good and the economy seems solid, so the game is getting more and more popular. If you start now and grow your farm while others are just starting, maybe in the future you can make good money with it. If you're just starting the game and want some help, join my team by creating an account with my referral link. Make sure you enter the server code before creating a land. For all my referrals, I offer some help at the beginning of their journey, and as you level up and play, I will give you even more resources. If you already have a land and want a bonus, join our Discord community to receive 100 wood for free. Join the Discord, send your wallet, send your farm ID, and I will send you those resources. And don't miss our upcoming giveaway. 3 lucky players will win VIP access for a month. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.